Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Shield certified, accident-free 2018 Toyota RAV4 hybrid limited all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle comes with power seating, power mirrors, locks and windows, as well as memory seat function for 2 different drivers. It has full leather seating, power sunroof, a spacious and clean 5-passenger interior. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls, as well as a heated steering wheel. It has XM, radio, USB and auxiliary inputs. It has a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera, heated seats, and many more great features.